Looking for a classic, lightweight travel trailer with a modern twist? Meet the Keystone Springdale Classic 1800 BH, available at Camping World. Perfect for young families, this travel trailer sleeps up to 5 with its bunkhouse floor plan featuring open-concept stacked twin bunks. Features include convertible dinette with hidden storage under seats, air conditioning, 12-volt fridge, 3.3 cubic feet of coolness, a rare find in single-axle trailers, 2-burner cooktop, microwave, queen bed with large underbed storage compartment or a great place for an adult playing hide-and-seek, wardrobe closet, tankless hot water heater for endless hot showers, skylight and shower, allowing for natural light and extra headroom, color-coded wiring, and inverted outlets. Weighing in at 3,400 pounds, unloaded and standing at 10 feet 2 inches tall, the Keystone Springdale Classic 1800 BH is the perfect blend of comfort and convenience for your next adventure. Ready to upgrade your camping experience?